Question number 4 is a number sense problem. At least that's the best that I can make out of it. Is trying to make sense of the numbers that they gave you and trying to maximize and minimize certain quantities. So here's how I'm going to try to explain it. Here's what we have. We have 150 members in a National Honor Society. They're broken down by gender. And if we break it down by gender, we know that there are 70 boys and there are 80 girls. Gives us a total of 150 members of the National Honor Society, which they told us. So if we add those boys and girls, equals 150. They also separate them not only by gender, but also by grade level. So by grade level, they have separated them. And this is the column I'm going to use. This is juniors, and there are 40 juniors, and there are seniors. There are 110 seniors, which again has to consist of the entire group of National Honor Society members, which is 150. Now here's where we got to use our number sense. They want us to basically minimize the number of senior girls. So how can I make the senior girls number as small as possible? We know we got to have 80 girls. So what I started thinking about is how can I minimize the number of girls that are seniors? And that would be by taking this junior girl and say, or juniors, and saying, what if all 40 of those were girls? So what if there are 40 junior girls? So that's supposed to be a J, junior girls. If we have 40 junior girls, then all that would be left for are senior girls would be 40, because then 40 and 40 would give us 80. So that's where my strategy went, and that was saying that if I forced all the junior girls to be, or all the junior members to be girls, then that would only leave 40 girls left for seniors. Now if I started messing with a number smaller than that, so I'm going to work off this junior just to kind of explain that, but my final answer here is going to be 40, but just to try to increase that idea a little bit better or further enhance it, what if I only chose 39? So what if there's only one boy that's a junior? So there's 39 junior girls. If there are 39 junior girls, then to end up with my number of 80, then I would have to increase my number of senior girls to 41. So every time I drop this number down, I'd have to increase this one by another one to get our consistent 80. So to drive this down backwards then, in order to minimize the number of senior girls, I had to maximize the number of junior girls. So therefore, what is the possible number of senior girls? I'm going to stick with our 40. So I can't really describe another technique. I thought of it a lot of different ways, but basically it comes down to maybe a little bit of a trial and error, but trying to figure out how can I minimize and maximize numbers by the role play that they each take within their two categories.